You did not waste 1 year. You wasted many small days by delaying action. You said tomorrow, next week, next month. That pattern turned 2024 and 2025 into the same story. If today you do the same things again, then next year will not be different. Change does not happen by time, it happens by decisions. You already know you need to change. The real problem is not motivation. The problem is noise, too much talking, too much explaining, too much caring about opinions. That is why the first step is to disappear. Disappearing does not mean quitting life. It means stopping unnecessary communication. Stop telling people your plans. Stop asking for validation. Stop explaining why you are doing something. Silence saves energy. That energy should go into action. The second step is to stop living for opinions. Most people are busy with their own problems. They are not watching your progress, but you think they are, so you hold yourself back. From today, only one opinion matters: your future self. Every day, ask one question: did my actions today move me closer or farther from the life I want? Answer honestly. The third step is to keep your plans private. Talking about goals gives a false sense of progress. You feel productive without doing the work. If you need guidance, speak only to someone who has already done what you want to do. Otherwise, stay quiet and work. Do not show progress while you are changing. No updates, no proof, no flexing. Early attention feeds ego. Ego kills consistency. Real progress is boring and invisible in the beginning. That is normal. Learn to handle problems alone. You will feel tired. You will doubt yourself. Some days will feel heavy. Do not look for sympathy. Sit with discomfort. Fix yourself quietly. This builds mental strength. Mental strength is what lasts. Now focus on transformation. Choose one main goal, not 10. 1. Better discipline, better skills, or better control over your mind. Write it down. Build your daily schedule around it. Cut anything that wastes time or energy. Be strict with yourself. Repeat simple actions daily. Not intense, not perfect, just consistent. Discipline beats motivation every time. Motivation comes and goes. Systems stay. Silence will feel uncomfortable at first. No praise, no attention. That is the point. Over time, you will feel calm and focused. You will stop needing approval. You will start trusting yourself. One last thing. Do not return early. Do not announce change before it is complete. Finish the work first. Let results speak.